Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm standing here showing you a bunch of different jeans. Actually, these aren't jeans, these are jean alternatives that I was really curious about, and so I thought I would show them to you. I'll be cutting in different shots of me trying them on to show you, but I kind of think I start out with the ones that are the most interesting and probably the best to the least interesting and the worst. So the whole thing that got me started on this was actually these pair of Lululemon ABC pants that they say they're slim fit casual pants inspired by the timeless details of 5-pocket jeans. And so this whole review, I was really just trying to look at some good alternatives to jeans. You can see they kind of sort of look like jeans. They kind of look like if you took a pair of jeans and mated them with yoga pants. It's probably what you would get. Like all Lululemon ABC pants, they have the odd little stripe on the back there. I don't know how well you can see that. But I will tell you what, these are by far the stretchiest and most comfortable of all the pants that you'll see here. They are really awesome. Now, most of the Lululemon pants have a lot of polyester, and this actually is got a lot of cotton. It is 53% cotton, 42% polyester, and 5% estylene. These are by far the most comfortable, but as you see when I wear them, I'm not really sure you can pull them off as jeans, but they're super comfortable. These are probably the pair of all these that I might keep. The other pair that really got me interested in this whole search for like a really good pair of alternative to jeans was these Everlane new chinos they had come out. They call these the Performance Chinos, and they're really comfortable. They've got a good amount of stretch in them. Let's see, what's the stretch? So they are 94% cotton, 6% estylene. Estylene, as you'll see in a lot of these, are very, very stretchy. These are just really good looking, nice medium weight pants. They're not too heavy, not too slim, not too stiff, not too light. They're really good weight, and Everlane makes some really great stuff. These are probably the choice I'd go for if you're looking for the all-around alternative jeans that still look nice. These Everlanes are really, really good, and they're actually one of the most affordable. I think they retail for $68, whereas the Lululemons, I think they retail for, let's see, $128. So you get two of these for the pair of one of the Lululemons. But nothing super fancy. They're just a really well-made garment, like a lot of the Everlane stuff is. They look really nice, classic, flat front. I really thought these are really good pants and an overall good alternative to jeans. Something a little bit fancier. Now these were one of the ones that I have always wanted to try out, and these are the Myles pants, and these are really, really interesting. So they are on the website, and they aren't actually, you can't get them in waist and length. They come in small, medium, or large, and they actually offer free hemming service, which is really nice. But these are mediums, and they fit me really well. I'm usually about a 32 or 33 waist and 30 length, but they offer free hemming service. If you live in the big city, they'll come and they'll hem them for you for free, which is awesome. They've got the reflective stripe like a lot of the Lululemon pants have. A little bit different in material, a little bit of tiny bit of swoosh, but not what you'll see some of the other pants. They have some pretty awful swoosh. And then the other pants that I kept on coming across that I really wanted to try out were by Hill City. Now, if you don't know Hill City is Gap's challenge to Lululemon for men. They have Athleta for women, and now they have Hill City for men, which is a really cool brand. And if you're really curious about Hill City, I would encourage you to check them out for one reason, and that's because their return policy is amazing. You could wear these pants for a year, assuming that they're still in business after a year, and return them after wearing them for a year. That's how good their return policy is. No 30-day window. These are the Everyday Pant in Slim Fit. Now these are a little bit heavier. They've got a decent amount of stretch. Let's give you the exact stretch on it. These have Oh, does not say. Nope. That's odd. This does not say what the stretch is on these pants, but they are a little bit stiffer than the other pants that we get, but they're a little heavier weight too. And these are a nice chino type style pants. Are nice and heavy. So I also picked up this pair, which is also Hill City, and this is called the Hill City Everyday Tech Pant, Everyday Tech Pant in Slim Fit. And these are a lot lighter weight, but here's what you gotta look out for, guys. When you're testing out and looking at pants, is this. The nylon swish factor. If you see pants with a lot of nylon, that's what really gives them that loud swish, and I can't stand it. I feel like I'm the dad wearing convertible pants if I have these. Otherwise, I like these pants quite a bit. These pants, I believe, retail for just a little bit more than the Everlane ones, like around $70, $80. I'll put the exact price on here, but they're decent, but these, stay away from the tech pants and nylon. That's awful. Now, Reddit really loves Outlier, and I tried these on and I showed my wife, and she goes, "Why are you wearing work pants? These look like pants you go and work out in the oil field in." And she's right. I mean, they really do look like strong work pants. And you know, I have to say, these are probably some of the best made pants of the whole group. I really like some of the details that they put into their manufacturing. Some of the rivets are in here. I mean, you can tell these are just really well made pants, but they just look like you're going out to go work in them, and that's not what I was going for at all. You can see they even have the rivets in the back. Nothing wrong with them. They've got a decent amount of stretch. These are also very, very expensive. They are 82% nylon, 16% polyester, 2% elastane, and so they've got a decent amount of stretch to them. Not as much as some of the other pants. I really thought and wanted to like these, but I just did not care for them at all. And then I keep on seeing ads on Facebook for these guys. This is Western Rise. You know, nothing terrible, but you can just hear, look at how loud this is. They are super, super loud. They are 97% nylon. Remember I said look out for nylon? 97% nylon, 3% spandex. I did reach out to them and said, "Hey man, these are not what I was looking for. You should try out they said you should try out the chinos, and maybe I'll give those a shot next." But these have hardly any stretch to them whatsoever, but they're so loud. Let's look at how stretchy they are. So here's this stretch. Western Rise stretch. Outlier stretch. Hill City Tech Slim stretch. Pretty good stretch there, the most so far. Hill City Everyday Pant and Slim stretch. Medium. The Myles pants. Those got a lot of stretch in them. The Everlane Tech Chino. A medium amount of stretch. And then the Lululemon ABC pant, casual. Okay, so right as I'm about ready to finish this whole review, of course I come across a different pant that I like probably more than all the others. So right here I'm wearing the Lululemon, they're called the Tech Canvas, I believe is what they're called. And I really like them, they're super stretchy. But I was actually at Costco today with my son, and I came across these. Now these are English Laundry. You may remember back in the day they were, home to the $100 shirt that had kind of the fancy stuff on the inside of the cuffs and everything. But this is English Laundry, and they are $19.99 at Costco. Great deal. And they're super stretchy. I actually think they look a little bit nicer than the Lululemon pants. They don't have the weird thing in the back of the leg. They're super, super comfortable. They're a little bit softer. I think they're a little bit more stretchy around the waist. But I gotta say, I think I'm gonna be keeping these $19.99 Costco pants versus the $135 Lululemon pants. It's pretty remarkable how nice these are. They look a little bit more like jeans, but they're not like trying too hard. They don't look like yoga pants meet jeans, where these kind of do look like yoga pants meets jeans. But for $19.99, I can get all the colors and get several of them for the same price as these Lululemon jeans. I gotta say, these and the Myles ones are probably the winner. It's crazy. It's not what I thought going into this. Once again, let us know if you have any questions, comments, or if we can help out with anything else. We hope to see you real soon. You know, you've got a lot of great choices here. I'd say if you want something that you're going to be the most comfortable in, check out Lululemon. They've always got super comfortable stuff. If you want to try something that you're going to be wearing all the time, every day, look at Everlane. They've got some really great products at really good prices. I mean, it's not the most technical of all these, but it's very interesting. If you're looking for just something different to stand out from the crowd, I would look at these Myles. They come in a couple different colors. They have a couple of really interesting features. This it's like printed material on the inside that helps keep it stuck to you, for lack of better words, and they're super stretchy. These are probably the second most comfortable. And then I probably wouldn't even, check out Hill City if you're just curious about them, because they have a great return policy. Stay away from stuff with nylon. Outlier, if that's your style, great. And then the one that I didn't like the least is Western Rise. But hopefully this helps you as you're looking through all the different ads. I'll obviously show you what I look like in them, but most comfortable by far, Lululemon. Best everyday pant, Everlane. You can wear those around the office. No one will think that you're wearing something that's more comfortable. And then most interesting, I think, is the Myles pants. Those are pretty cool. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. As always, we want to hear from you. We're trying to find the best products that you spend your hard-earned dollar on. Please let us know how we can help. Please let us know if there's any other products you want us to test. We hope to see you very soon.